Well, here we go out on Toledo Bend Lake doing a lake test run today on this motor here for William in Chungaloo, Louisiana. It's store number 177. It's a 1973 Johnson 9.5 9R73 mechanical restore. I threw in a quickie paint job from Mr. Williams. He brought me two motors. So this one runs like a dream in the barrel. Came out pretty good, pretty clean. Completely rebuilt carb, gear case, magneto, new starter rope, new kill switch. All brand new. Let's take her out on the lake and see how she runs. Beautiful thing. All right, we're out here on the water. That thing runs like a dream. Idle's perfect. Pushes my Misty boat about 16 miles an hour. 9.5s. Awesome motor. Let's take it for a run. Yes, sir. That's what I call a good motor. Cooling well, running good, idle's good. Check reverse. She's good to go, Mr. William. Come get her when you're ready. Let's take her on in. You want to win a free prize? That's right, Team Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to Team Mike's website, TeamMikeVintageOutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for Team Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right. On the farm, also, when you get there, at the bottom, it's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with Team Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to Team Mike's website, TeamMikeVintageOutboards.com, click on Team Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, TeamMikeVintageOutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay Team Mike. and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.